How to add accessories in Roblox Studio. First, you will need to open up your browser and head to roblox.com and make sure you're signed into your account. Then click on Marketplace. And from here, you will need to choose what accessory you trying to apply or add to your Roblox Studio. For example, if you want to add this accessory, click on it and then copy the long number, which is the asset ID. And then go back to your Roblox Studio with your experience loaded. You want to click on Avatar menu right here, and then click on Rig Builder, select the R15, which is most common, and then your body shape, and click on Block Avatar. Then with your avatar selected, you want to go to the Plugins section, and then click on Manage Plugins, and then click on the plus button, and from this drop down select Plugins and search for Accessories, and then hit Enter. And make sure to install this accessory inserter right here, which is free, by clicking on it and then click on Install. Now once this is installed, you want to go back to the plugins and hit the Insert Accessory button, which should be added. And then you will need to paste the asset ID or the accessory ID you've copied, and then hit the Apply button. And this should basically add the accessory, as you can see right here. That's pretty much it for this video. Subscribe for more.